Hello everyone. I'm going to show you right now how I actually did very well today trading ARTL. As you can see, I use two time frame, 1 minute and 10-second time frame. And what I use is the momentum indicator I created. And today I added MACD to spot the right area to trade. Now let me show you exactly. I'm not going to go into the details how I take based on the 10 seconds after I get a signal in the 1 minute, but you will get the idea and why I think this momentum indicator is like a game changer. Okay, let's just go right here and delete all whatever drawing I have in the chart. So I saw this running. Like basically we got the alert and I didn't enter in the first 1 minute. If you see, it's obvious volume is high, price is high. I got the signal here, and I get like a buying, like people keep buying, and then I got this sell signal. So I waited, nothing. And this is basically if I want to go short, I would actually go short after I get this signal until I get another buy signal or whatever short people do. I don't know what when people trade in the short side, what they do. But anyway, I got this signal right here. So I bought. Okay, I bought some right here. And I used the 10-second chart to confirm like the move. This red did not actually fire an exit signal, so I kept holding and I actually added at the VWAP and it kept going until I got this red arrow right here. So I was up with a little bit because my entry here at the VWAP kind of give me a good like average down. So it was not a bad trade. Then I bought right here. Then I got a signal right here. So then I went negative. Then I said, okay, this does not have really a clean move, and I had to be careful. This is why when I shifted focus to be in and out this in the 10 second. Anyway, I got the first signal right here, and that was a 705. I got the W, mean buying start like kicking in. And I got in with 2000 share. This bar right here does not fire any like exit signal. So I hold from almost 628 and I got this right away to all the way to 721, almost $1 a share. That was like almost 4,000 share. And I got half or like 25% of my position when I got the W to the side. And I kept holding. I added more right here when I got this signal and I kept holding until I exited completely at 730 with this red arrow right here. And that was a good trade. That put me to the positive side. Then I got a signal right here. Okay. And I know this is not a clean like stock to trade. I got the signal right here. I got in and I give some of what I made. I was out. Then I said, no, I'm not gonna trade this guy right now. It just not clean. It was super extended. Look at this. And it looked like a double top. So I did not take any trade. I waited until the market opened. I was not that far from the VWAP and I like that. So I got this basically signal, the first signal I got right here at 665. Mean like a mean like a wall of buyer came into the market. So I kept like I got at like at 650 or something. Like that's when I got 650. And I kept holding those red signal. I did not get out because that volume was really low, the selling volume. So I kept holding until that signal right here was like 775. So over $1 a share. And this is what I like it. It's give you the signal and all of a sudden you get $1 clean move. And I was out with this red candle completely because I think the 10-second tell me that's it. And if you see the red arrow right here, it means this volume pressure, you don't basically take any trade. And I got this signal right here. I did not take, and I'll tell you why, because the momentum was to the downside. I like to take it when the momentum is green, the histogram is green. So I kept waiting until I got another clean signal, which was right here. And right away, I got an exit. So I said, I don't want to pay a lot of commission. And I kept waiting for this stock. And I think the second position I took, I'll tell you where. I think that was almost the end of the day. went down, 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 right here. Like I said, let's see if there's, I usually like 1 hour, 1 hour and a half before I look at the market again to see, look at ARTL and look at this. I got this signal right here and was like around 659, 660, and boom, jump all the way to 730. And I got out with this red bar at 712. And that's it. So I think that was a good hit, to be honest. I mean, I like that stock. It was not really clean momentum, but it was good. I wish I can show, like right now it's after market and I see a couple of stocks moving. I see MDAI, 22 million share. I don't like that. MDAI. Let's see, because I want to show you live too, guys, what I'm making. I'm gonna start recording live again once I get lots of subscribers. No, I don't like that. Let me check it. We are right here. Okay, so a gap up is not holding. Okay, I did not know that give me like a wall, but I don't think it's not a clean momentum. Let me show you how I use it anyway. I'm not gonna go heavy. So I got the W, so I'm gonna enter here with 2,000 shares. And I'm gonna wait like I enter 2,000 share. I'm gonna wait for the second bar. And I don't know exactly what's gonna happen. Okay. I'm holding only 2,000 shares just to show I'm taking this live right now while I'm recording. I said, you know what? I'll see what's gonna do. Okay. I got a green arrow, but it's gonna be fixed once it closes. I don't take it before it closes because if it closes red, it will go away. So let's just wait. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. I don't know what this 1 minute is gonna do. Uh, I don't like the volume, I don't like the float in this guy, but I want to show you how I use the momentum indicator to take a position. Okay, I'm still holding. I'm still holding. Okay, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Sometime I like to use the 10 second. I will show you how. Like the 10 second give me a signal here. I keep holding and I exit based on the 10 seconds. Sometimes if the volume is high, it basically give me like a heads up, and now it tells me to exit. You see this red bar right here? And I exit like some of it. I'm still holding 300 shares. Anyway, exit completely. $106. Not too bad. Just took it live to show you guys how I use it. A mix of the 1 minute with my volume, pressure, momentum indicator, and the 10 second together. When market gets cold again, I think this indicator is gonna help me to make loads of money. Hopefully, hopefully. Anyway, thanks guys for watching.